Later in the course, we're going to go into functions and learning about conditional programming, where we use the if statement a lot to do something if a condition is true, or do something else if the condition is not true. That is where the Boolean data type is used a lot. And the way to determine if conditions are true a lot of times is done by using the equality operator. So if you're using two equal signs, you check to see if two items are the same, and you can use the exclamation mark and the equal sign to see if they're not the same. In this case, let's say I'm fun is true and your fun is true. So the condition we are fun can only be true if we're both fun. And to test for that, you would use the equality operator. Because if I'm fun is true and your fun is true, then we are fun would also be true. So let's check that. And in this case, of course, the statement evaluates to true because we just covered that. If I'm fun and you are fun both contain the same value, then we are fun is also set to true.